Continuing the Madhubani border series, we are back with the second border. To make this border, we'll first make the outline of the border and then we'll make petal-like shapes which you normally see in mandalas, but today we will use these same patterns for a Madhubani border. After I used 3 squares on the grid to make the leaf pattern, I have used loops to fill up the remaining space. Since my loops were big enough to have 2-3 layers, I added 2 layers and colored the inner one. After the loops have been filled, we move on to the leaf patterns. To finish the leaf pattern, we first add a double layer because once again this is Madhubani. Once you have done that, you make a small loop, a small semicircle, keeping the top of the leaf as your center. Add a double layer to that, leave around 0.5 centimeter space and add another 2 semicircles and fill up the space with vertical lines. You can also use slanting lines, you can also use a grid. I have used vertical lines to fill up the space. Now there will be a little bit of space left below the semicircle as well as the loops. To fill that, you need to make a triangle and add a border to that as well. We add vertical lines to fill up this triangle as well, and for the remaining space behind the leaf we use vertical straight lines once again. If you want to use some other patterns, you are welcome to do so. But do remember that you should not have any white space when you fill up a Madhubani border. Once you have finished drawing the border, you can choose one color of your choice to fill up all the white spaces. If you want to be adventurous, you can skip coloring and you can add more patterns to create a black and white beauty. Here I am choosing orange color because for the first border I used a combination of orange, blue and green, and I wanted to keep that continuity. You can also choose blue or green to finish up the remaining space. For the loops, I am using green because once again I wanted to maintain continuity. You can use any other color. Once the white spaces have been filled, your Madhubani border is complete. And there you go. I hope you liked this video and you will be recreating this as well. And do hit us up if you have any kind of doubts. Thank you. Bye-bye.
If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Do also check out our social handles and follow us on Instagram, Pinterest and Facebook. Remember to check our website and our Discord server and follow us there for more updates.